Hello everyone, how are you? We're here to explain experiment number 9, which is operational amplifier. And why we need to learn this experiment is to determine the gain and phase of an inverting amplifier. What we need in this experiment and the equipment and components is 1. Digital multimeter. Number 2, operational amplifier AN-741. We need 2 resistors, 4.7 kilo ohm and 10 kilo ohms. We need the DC power supply and the function generator. How we connect the circuit? The amplifier has 8 legs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 on the top of the left side and 8 on the top of the right side. How we connect the circuit? Number 6, or the 6th leg, goes to the first resistor, which is 10 kilo ohm, and the resistor goes to number 2, or the second leg, and number 2 also go to the second resistor, which is 4.7 kilo ohm. The resistor goes to the positive of the power supply. The negative of the power supply goes to the ground. The ground is directly connected with the number 3, or the third leg. Number 4, fourth leg, goes to the minus 15 volt, and positive 15 volt goes to number 7. The digital multimeter. How we connect the digital multimeter? The positive, which is with the red wire, with number 6 with the output, and the black, which is the minus, with the number 3. And now we will measure the voltage. We have to switch on the power supply and switch on the generator. And now we will write the voltage, or the measuring voltage. We have to put this to 0.1. .2. It gives us 5.1, which is the double. 0.02 gives us 0.513. 0.3. It gives us 0.65. It's almost the double. 0.4. 0.86, also almost the double, because the sources of error. 0.45, or it gives us 1.01, and 0.6, sorry, it gives us 1.3, almost 1.3, 0.7. The maximum voltage is 13 volt. Here it gives us 1.5, also almost double. 0.8 gives us 1.72. 72. Here's 0.9. 0.9 gives us 1.93, and now goes to 1. It must give us the number 2, but because of the sources of error gives us 2.14, and goes to 3. Three gives us 6.4, 6.43. Number 6, the power supply, gives us 12.9, almost 13. Here to number 8. Number 7 is the maximum. We reached the maximum, which is 13.95, because of the sources of error. It must be 13, but because of the sources of error on the digital multimeter, 13.9. We finished the first part, and we will go to the second part of this experiment.
Hello everyone, this is the second part of experiment number 9, which is operational amplifier. We take out the voltage ammeter, change it, and DC power supply, we change it to oscilloscope and function generator. We connected the function generator to the resistor and to the ground, and number 1 and number 2 to the same input for function generator, and number 1 to the number 6 and to the ground. We put the function generator at 1 kilohertz, and this the graph of the experiment. We should know the CH1 5 volt equal to the CH2 5 volt. This is the peak to peak 12.6 for number 1, and this peak to peak for the wire of number 2. We should write the numbers in this This is 4.7 kilo ohm. Input, it is 2.6, and the output is 6 watt. Okay, thank you for your attention in this